This is the Hot Airbrush hair dryer, and I was quite skeptical about getting this product because I wasn't sure how well the brush would work and drying the hair as well. But I decided to try it out, and right now, this is going from, a wash to and just towel dry, and then I'm going straight in with the brush after I've done a little bit of detangling. But so far, this thing dries super well. So it has three settings: cool, low, and high. And I have to say, I was quite impressed with how straight it did get the hair. The bristles were still intact. It's very lightweight and easy to grip, so I highly recommend.